Hey, my name's Jake with Churchfront. In this quick video, I want to show you my favorite RF gear that we've been installing at churches to help eliminate a lot of the wireless coordination headaches that churches are dealing with out there. Many of the clients who reach out to us have a lot of RF issues that cause static or dropouts. It can be very distracting for the congregation, and it also makes it difficult for your performers, especially if their in-ear monitors are always dropping in and out. So the common solution we've been implementing, and it works rock solid, is the RF Venue line of their Distro antennas and their combiner antennas. So you can see right here, this is a system we recently did an upgrade at. We did a nice new mixing console for them, but they had all these old wireless units over here. I think they were Line 6 wireless units. They had some older antennas, maybe they were by Line 6 as well. They were not working. This church had a ton of headaches with their wireless management and coordination. It was getting very, very frustrating for them. So we upgraded to some Shure microphones for them. So you see the Shure SLX line of mics over here and some body packs, as well as some wireless in-ear monitoring systems. This church never had in-ear monitors prior to this project. We were able to help them use in-ears instead of having to rely on those floor wedges, which make mixing quite difficult in the room. So let's head on back to the Audio World rack, where you'll be able to see the RF Venue gear in action. So here we are on the side of the stage, and we have the RF Venue architectural antennas. This is actually kind of a unique use case of how they're mounted here, because they've got this brick wall, and our install techs didn't want to start drilling through this beautiful stone facade. So instead, they just attached a piece of unistrut coming from a rig point above this drop ceiling here, and then they were able to mount the architectural antenna onto that. These architectural antennas are so easy though to mount into your typical drywall with some anchors, and so then you can fish a cable through the back of them, and they look really great, whether they're in black or they're white, or you can paint them whatever wall color. So the RF antenna itself kind of blends in with the architecture of the room, and it has great coverage. So one of these antennas is the Distro. That's this one, because it has the AB antenna connections to it. And then the other one over here behind this fan is the combiner for the in-ear monitors. So these guys have great wide coverage of pretty much the entire room, the entire stage. So that's how the musicians up here are able to have flawless wireless in-ear monitor experience and no dropouts or no static at all, by first having the antenna in the right place. Welcome back to their audio rack room. They've got their existing amplifiers that were in here, and they still use some of these for floor wedges when they want to use floor wedges, but lately they've just been using their new in-ear system and loving it. And then over here, we have our wireless microphones, and then we've got our wireless in-ear monitor transmitters. So these are receivers, these are transmitters. And at the top here for the Shure SLX units, these are actually only 3 units, even though it looks like it's 6 of them. We actually have 12 channels of wireless microphones, because these are quad units by Shure. So what we have set up here with our RF Venue Distro 5 is we actually have all of these wireless mics being powered by this unit, and the antenna is being distributed through this unit. So we have 2 RG8X lines that are going out of this unit to the antenna I showed you on the wall for wireless mic distribution. And then below that, we have our PSM 300s by Shure, where the signal's going the other way, going to stage. So we've got the RF Venue Combine 8. We could have up to 4 more channels of PSM 300s if we wanted on this Combine 8. That allows this church to have a bit more expandability in their system. So here they could actually technically add 2 more of these quad units, which would actually give them 8 more wireless microphones on the same RF infrastructure. And down here, they could add up to 4 more for their wireless in-ears. I love the simplicity of how everything with RF Venue is really just plug and play, and it just works. You don't have to do a lot of advanced programming at the RF Venue side of things, but our team does do all of the RF coordination. When we scan the room for RF frequencies, we control all that with Wireless Workbench from Shure in their app. So I hope that gives you some clarity for your church if you're looking to improve the RF infrastructure and you want to get rid of those nasty dropouts and those distracting static sounds that can happen with your wireless technology. check out the RF Venue line of products. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.